Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we are going to demo this super grungy strap behind me. See how it sounds. So if you're someone who watches a lot of my videos, you will have seen me build this guitar, put it together, not all that long ago. I think by the time this video comes out, it'll probably be Friday before last or something like that. And I just put the strap on backward. In that video, I said that we would test it out, and then if it seemed worthy, if it played, yada yada, we would consider upgrading it. Now, given the state of the thing, I don't know that an upgrade or a set of upgrades is really going to make sense, but hey, we might use it to test a few upgrades, and yeah, I'm not sure. If you guys really like it, maybe I'll do something even more interesting to it after this. I think it could use a rust finish on the headstock to match this body, if nothing else, right? Maybe a different pick guard, patinaed copper, who knows. Anyway, enough talking. What we're doing today is playing it. So, as you know, I barely play guitar. You guys might have actually seen the last time I did play guitar. But I can show you how it sounds. So let's give it a shot. We'll fire up the amp and yeah, I have no more excuses. This will be interesting. that was nothing if not interesting. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. Do we take the time to upgrade this one? Do we go out of our way to make it even cooler and more grungy than it is now? Do I relegate it to the scrapyard, just kind of leave it hanging there? What do you think? Do we like this guitar? As always, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. I hope you did. And remember to subscribe so you can see what I do with this guitar or a different one, depending on how the votes come down on this guy. But yeah, we'll be doing something interesting one way or the other. So thanks again, have a good one, and I will see you next time.